Get ready to whip up a delicious creamy fruit custard that's perfect for any occasion. This simple recipe combines fresh fruits with a rich, velvety custard that will impress everyone. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, half a cup of sugar, 3 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a splash of vanilla extract. For the fruit, choose your favorites. Bananas, strawberries, mangoes, and blueberries work beautifully. First, heat the milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir in the sugar until it dissolves completely. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and cornstarch until smooth. Once the milk is steaming, slowly pour a little into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. This prevents them from scrambling. Now, pour the egg mixture back into the saucepan. Keep stirring over low heat until the custard thickens, about 5 to 7 minutes. It should coat the back of a spoon. Remove it from the heat and stir in that splash of vanilla extract for added flavor. Let the custard cool for a bit, then transfer it to the fridge to chill for at least an hour. While it cools, chop up your chosen fruits into bite-sized pieces. When the custard is ready, layer it in serving bowls with the fresh fruit. You can get creative here, alternate layers or mix them all together. For an extra touch, sprinkle some crushed nuts or a drizzle of honey on top. And there you have it. A creamy fruit custard that's not only easy to make but also a delightful treat. Perfect for dessert or a refreshing snack. Enjoy every spoonful of this fruity goodness.